Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about upgrading your security setup, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down the top 6 security camera for 2025. We'll explain everything from features and video quality to installation tips and storage options so you can choose the best one for your home or business. Looking for 4K resolution, smart alerts, or just something simple and reliable, we've got you covered. From color night vision to AI-powered detection, testing them all so you can make an informed choice. You will find the links to the products in the description, and if you want to learn more, make sure to hit subscribe and ring that bell for all our latest updates. Let's begin. Number 1. Kasa Smart Indoor Pan Tilt Camera. The Pan and Tilt feature. This camera offers a 360-degree horizontal view and 113 degrees vertically. So, no matter where you place it, it can cover an entire room or hallway, ensuring nothing gets missed. Plus, you can set it to patrol different areas at scheduled intervals, which is a nice bonus if you need coverage over multiple rooms. Now, let's talk about motion tracking. This camera automatically follows movement within its range, and it sends real-time alerts to your phone when it detects anything. If you're worried about intruders, or you just want to know if your pet is up to something, this camera's got you covered. One of the coolest features is the two-way audio. With this, you can not only listen in on what's going on in your home, but also speak through the camera. So, if your pet's barking or your baby's crying, you can comfort them from anywhere. It's a real game changer for pet owners or parents. The camera offers local storage with a microSD card, up to 256 GB, or you can choose the cloud storage option with a subscription to Kasa Care. This gives you 30 days of video history, activity snapshots, and even video summaries. Whether it's day or night, you'll get clear footage with 1080p HD video. Plus, the camera features night vision up to 30 feet, so you won't miss a thing, even in the dark. And if you're all about smart home integration, this camera works seamlessly with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. You can easily stream the footage on your Echo Show or Google Chromecast just by using a voice command. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this camera offers a ton of features for its price: 360-degree coverage, motion tracking, clear video quality, and a ton of smart features. But there are some downsides to keep in mind. Some users have reported occasional connectivity issues where the camera disconnects from the network. There's also a bit of a mixed bag when it comes to build quality. Some say it feels solid, while others feel it's a little flimsy. Number 2. WYZE Cam Pan V3. The Cam Pan V3 offers 360 degrees of pan and 180 degrees of tilt, meaning it can literally see the entire room. You can control it remotely through the WYZE app and even set automated patrol waypoints to keep an eye on specific zones. It shoots in 1080p HD, and unlike many budget cams, it has color night vision, which means clearer, more vibrant nighttime footage, a big plus for low-light areas. The motion tracking feature follows people or pets as they move, which makes it ideal for baby rooms, pet areas, or entryways. You also get two-way audio, so you can talk through the app whether you're calming your dog or warning off a stranger. And yes, it's IP65 weather-resistant rain or shine, but keep in mind you'll need to buy a separate outdoor power adapter for outside use. Over 24,000 reviews rate it 4.3 stars, with users loving the video quality, night vision, and the motion alerts, which they say are nearly instant. On the downside, some mention Wi-Fi connection issues, especially if you're on a 5G HZ network. This cam only supports 2.4 GHz. Still, most agree it's excellent value for the money, especially if you're building a smart home on a budget. So, would I buy it? For under $50, with pan tilt, color night vision, and smart tracking, it's a pretty compelling package. If you're looking for a budget-friendly camera for home, pets, or outdoor security, the WYZE Cam Pan V3 is definitely worth considering. Number 3. WYZE Pro 2K Home Security Camera. Let's start with the basics. The WYZE Pro 2K is an indoor-only security camera that runs on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. It shoots in 2K resolution, which is sharper than 1080p, great for catching small details like faces or movement across a room. It has built-in AI-powered motion detection that can tell the difference between a person, animal, or vehicle, helping reduce false alarms. But heads up, you'll need a cloud subscription to unlock features like multi-camera viewing and full AI detection. There's also two-way audio, night vision, and support for voice control using Alexa or Google Assistant, which is perfect for checking the live feed on a smart display. For low light conditions, the WYZE Pro uses 940 nanometer infrared lights, a f1.4 aperture lens, and a sensitive image sensor to improve night vision. Some users say the night view is crystal clear, while others say it's a bit dim, so real-world performance might vary depending on the room. In terms of storage, you can go with cloud storage for unlimited loop recording and remote backup, or use a microSD card if you prefer local recording. Just note that South Dakota storage doesn't support the smart detection or cloud backup features. One thing I do like is that it works with both Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can check in on your space using just your voice. Now, based on user reviews, the setup process is quick and beginner-friendly, and most people are impressed with the daytime video quality. The motion detection gets mixed feedback. Some say it's spot on, others say it occasionally misses movement. And opinions on the cloud subscription are split. Some users find it worthwhile, others don't like the added cost. So, if you're looking for an affordable, smart indoor camera that delivers high-quality video and works with your existing smart home setup, the WYZE Pro 2K seems like a solid option. Just keep in mind the best features come with a subscription, and night vision may not be perfect for every space. I'd love to know, have you tried this camera? Or do you have a different indoor cam you'd recommend? Number 4. Ring Battery Doorbell Pro. Here's what makes this model stand out. You get 1536p head-to-toe HD plus video, which means you can see the person at your door from head to toe and even spot packages on the ground. It's also loaded with 3D motion detection and Ring's bird's eye view tech, which gives you a top-down map showing exactly where someone moved on your property. Add to that features like low light sight, improved night vision with color even after sunset, and person plus package alerts, though you'll need a Ring Protect subscription to unlock those. This model runs on a quick-release battery pack, which means you don't need existing doorbell wiring. Setup seems quick. Some users say it takes less than 5 minutes. But fair warning, reviews are mixed on battery life and Wi-Fi connectivity, so your experience may depend on your setup and how often it's triggered. It works with Amazon Alexa, so you can hear announcements on your Echo devices and even use two-way talk right from inside your home. And with rich notifications, you can see a snapshot of who's at your door without even opening the app. Ring also says they're tracking this product's carbon footprint and looking for ways to reduce emissions, which is a plus if sustainability matters to you. Overall, the Ring Battery Doorbell Pro looks like a powerful option for anyone who wants flexible installation and advanced features. But keep in mind, it's not the cheapest, and not everyone's had a perfect experience with battery life or connection speed. Number 5. WYZE Cam V4. Let's start with what the WYZE Cam V4 brings to the table. First off, it shoots in 2.5K QHD resolution, meaning sharper and more detailed video than standard 1080p, perfect for identifying faces or license plates. It's also weather-resistant, rated IP65, so you can mount it outside your home or use it indoors. And whether it's day or night, you'll get enhanced color night vision and wide dynamic range, so footage remains vivid even in low light. The WYZE Cam V4 steps up its game with motion-activated LED spotlight, voice alerts, and even a built-in siren to scare off unwanted visitors. It also supports two-way audio, so you can talk to delivery drivers, pets, or family members right from your phone. For storage, you've got two options. Secure cloud recording through a subscription, or local storage with a microSD card for 24/7 continuous recording, no fees required. Setup looks pretty simple. The V4 uses Bluetooth for easy pairing, no QR code scanning needed. Plus, it supports Wi-Fi 6, which could mean faster, more stable connections, at least in theory. And yes, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can pull up your camera feed with voice commands. Now, I haven't tested this camera myself, but customer reviews are pretty telling. People love the video clarity and night vision and say it's easy to install and great for the price. On the flip side, connectivity issues are a common complaint. Some users report the camera disconnects often, especially over Wi-Fi. Motion detection also gets mixed reviews. Some say it's too sensitive, others say it misses things. And the built-in spotlight? Some love it, others find it a bit too bright for indoor use. All in all, the WYZE Cam V4 looks like a feature-packed option if you're on a budget and don't mind a bit of tweaking. For the price, it's hard to beat what you're getting, but keep those Wi-Fi quirks in mind. Number 6. EZVIZ Indoor Security Camera. Looking for an affordable and easy-to-use indoor security camera? Today, we're taking a closer look at the EZVIZ Indoor Security Camera, C1C, a budget-friendly option packed with features like HD video, night vision, and motion detection. Let's dive in to see if it really delivers. First up, the EZVIZ C1C boasts full HD 1080p video. This means you get crystal clear footage, whether it's day or night. You'll have no problem identifying faces, objects, or any movements in your space. And speaking of night, the 40-foot Super Night Vision ensures that you won't miss anything, even when the lights go out. The camera switches to night mode automatically, providing clear visuals in complete darkness. Another standout feature is smart motion detection. You can draw specific detection zones in the camera's field of view, so you'll only get alerts for the areas you care about most. When motion is detected, you'll receive an instant notification straight to your phone. Need to communicate? With two-way audio, you can listen and speak through the camera using the EZVIZ app. Whether you're checking in on your kids or talking to a pet, this feature makes remote communication simple. Setting up the C1C is a breeze. It's small, lightweight, and comes with a magnetic base, so you can mount it almost anywhere. No professional installation needed. The camera can be easily mounted on metal surfaces, and it comes with a metal plate for non-metallic surfaces, making installation quick and flexible. Now, let's talk storage. The microSD card slot lets you store videos locally without needing a subscription. But if you want cloud backup, EZVIZ offers that too, though it's completely optional. Customer feedback is mixed. Many users rave about the camera's clear video, easy setup, and the no-subscription storage option. But some have experienced Wi-Fi disconnections, inconsistent sound quality, and reliability issues, with a few units stopping after just a month of use. So, is the EZVIZ C1C worth it? If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use indoor camera with basic features like HD video, night vision, and smart alerts, it's definitely a solid choice. Just be aware that connectivity and durability might not be top tier. Overall, it's a great option for casual home security needs, but maybe not the best choice if you need something ultra-reliable for long-term use. And that wraps up our review of the top 6 security cameras you can get today. Whether you're prioritizing clarity, smart features, or affordability, these cameras have you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and home security tips. Also, hit the bell icon so you're always in the loop when we post new content. Feel free to comment with any questions or your thoughts about your favorite camera. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching this video, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.